Hello there, I'm Eric. Welcome to the shed. In this video, we're going to take a look at templates updated for Adobe Express mid 2023. Now, there are so many of them. There is no way that I can go through them all with you, but I'm just going to introduce you and take you through a couple of gotchas that might just save you a bit of time. All right, let's jump into Adobe Express and see what's what. Okay, here I am in Adobe Express, and what I want to do is create an Instagram post for a new coffee for our Snot Real Coffee House. Now, I'm at a bit of a loss for ideas, so what I'm going to do is come across to Explore, and here we have a whole host of templates. What I'm going to do is I can scroll through and take a look at them. I can whittle them down to animated or maybe even multi-page or even video templates. All these are available to us. What I'm going to do though is just scroll down and see if there's anything that catches my eye. We've got a brand new coffee. It's called Smooth Coffee. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I want to do a post for it. Now you can see on the left-hand side that we can choose all. We can go for the free ones if you're using a free account, or if you've got a Creative Cloud account, then premium is the way you want to go. All right, there's delicious deals there. That's not quite what I'm after. Let's take a look. Okay, I think I've plumped for one. I'm going to choose this one right here. It kind of fits the bill kind of nicely. It's about a new menu, and we've got a new item, so why not? All right, when it comes up, I can just click on it, and I can have a look and see what layers there are. You can see there are 10 plus, and I can get into each one of these should I wish. All right. Now, there are a couple of gotchas on this. I can see straight off the bat. Let me show you one of them. Let's say that I want to use real money, not whatever this is. And I'm going to click on that layer and then try and click into that 75. And I can't. Every time I do, I go into crop. Now, the reason for that is that there is a layer right on the top. It's this one here. It gives it this paper feel. And every time I click on anything in here, I'm going to select that top layer. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to drag it right down to the bottom. And if I remember at the end, I will put it back on the top. But I'm not that fussed. Anyway, so now I can come back up. I can click on this 75 whatever layer and I can go into that should I wish. Now you can see that I'm having a little bit of difficulty trying to change that. There we go. There we are. Now, the reason for that, let's not have it as £75, let's do it as £3. The reason for that is going to be, there we go. There we go. Now, the reason for that is that this is actually grouped. So if I click on that again, you'll be able to see that it is grouped with the word sea salt coffee. If I ungroup that, it makes it slightly easier in that everything has come undone. As everything sort of comes apart, as it were. So I can then go into that and I can type in smooth coffee, should I wish. There we go, smooth coffee. I can group those back up. All I could do is click on that one, shift and click on that one, and then click group, and in they go to a group. Okay, I haven't got the colors I want either. So let's try and do something about that. So they've got some circles here, 1, 2, 3 circles, and then they've got these stars in them. Let's change these to our corporate colors. I've got this one selected. I'm going to shift and click on that one, shift and click on that one, and then come into my fill color. I've already got my brand set up. You can find a video on setting up brands in Adobe Express on the playlist where you found this one. Anyway, let's change that to this red. There we go. Not very different. Let's change it to the green. There we go. And then let's take the stars here. So 1, 2, 3 stars and change that to the red. So it is now our colors and a little bit more garish. Never mind. Okay, so now the new here is not quite right because that is not what the font is for our Snot Real brand. It's actually Alphan that we want. There it is. Good. And then I can resize that. So you can see I can use this for inspiration, should I wish, and just work my way through it. Now, the big problem, as you've probably been screaming at me, is that there is a soda can or a pop can, wherever you come from, right in the middle rather than coffee. So let's swap that out. All right, let's jump back in. I'm going to highlight that can, and I'm going to say up here, swap this, replace it. There we go. Now I could upload a picture from my hard drive, maybe one of our Not Real coffee cups, but let's try something different. Let's try coffee cup with splash, maybe. There we go. Off it goes, does what it needs to do. Lovely. We will take maybe, let me see, kind of like that one at the top, but we'll have a look. All right, this one here, maybe. There you go. Right. And let's turn that around a little bit. There we are. Lovely. Now, you'll notice that it had a white background and then that disappeared. And that's because the original asset that was there had its background removed. So the new asset also has its background removed. Excellent. Good stuff. All right. So new menu. Then we can come down. We can go into here. We can change this, do whatever we like. But very quickly, we can start to build this to how we want it to look. Of course, the final one, because I can't be bothered, is to move this layer back up to the top to give it its little feel there. Okay, you know what else I'm thinking of? I'm thinking we've got a circle logo, so I might replace one of these. I'm going to take that back down again. Which one is it? Top one? Middle one? Let's go for the top one. And I'm going to just press delete, and then on that star, press delete, and then go into my stuff, come and get my logo, take that one, drop it in, and then make that nice and big. Move it up. There we go. There. Now we've made it our own. We have changed the font. We've changed the picture. We've added our logo. We've made it proper currency, not this made up one that was on there before. Whatever it may be, we can change this. We can use it for inspiration, or we can just whack our own bits in there. Whatever you want to do, however you want to use it. It's all about being productive and doing what you need to do as quickly and as efficiently as possible. There we go. That's templates. If you are using Adobe Express, don't forget to leave me a little note somewhere of where I can see your work. I am genuinely interested in what you're doing. If you've liked this video, like it, subscribe, do what you need to do, and I'll see you again next time. Oh, I'm all hyped up on coffee. I'll see you. Bye-bye for now.